Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 audio not working or no audio devices installed error, then please watch this video. This is a very disturbing error. I'll tell you why. If the audio or the sound was not working, we would have troubleshooted it differently. If it says no audio devices installed, it means that the audio drivers are not being detected. So search for device in manager, go to device manager, expand this and check if you have the audio drivers here. Now, one thing that I suggest is to charge your system to the full. Okay, connect the charger and charge it to the full, let it remain such for 2 or 3 hours, and then check if it fixes the problem. If it still doesn't fix the problem, then straight away reset your computer. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, scroll down to recovery, click on reset PC. You'll have to click on remove everything and then perform a cloud download on your system to reinstall the image. If that doesn't help either, then take it to a hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.